Yo, what's cracking, everybody? I'm Demented. Welcome to Demented Gaming, and today I'm coming at you with a brand new episode of WWE 25 Showcase. And we're still continuing the showcase for the Bloodline Legacy. Last few episodes were pretty cool. The last match with The Rock and Triple H was kind of iffy for me because, like, honestly, towards the end of the match, it wouldn't let me have control of The Rock anymore. So it's kind of like I had to watch it, which was cool and all, but I mean, I didn't really understand that aspect. But nevertheless, we're pushing forward. We're actually going to be playing as High Chief Peter, can't pronounce that name yet, versus George the Animal Steele, Day One Arena, right now. Now is your chance to create history and win the final battle in this timeless rivalry. You can lead High Chief to success inside the steel cage against the animal. Hope everybody's enjoying this series as we continue pushing forward. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump into this.
But this time, we'll have a winner. These are two very different men, Cole. The High Chief is a man of great pride and respect for the ring, while Steele is, well, he's an animal. I can't think of two opponents with more opposing styles. You said it, Corey. Let's just hope this one gets taken care of in the ring tonight.
The animal has to be elated to be in this steel cage against one of his biggest rivals, no less.
Yeah, Byron, we've seen the animal brandish a weapon against Peter Maivia before when it was against the rules. The High Chief better be prepared for Steele to get even crazier.
Oh, Maivia is prepared, all right. The man is extremely tough and agile. In fact, the High Chief's entire body can be considered a weapon. Catches an uppercut. Headbutt. Oh, not done yet. A second and a third, too.
George the Animal Steele might be a bit of an underdog here. In fact, he lost a match by countout to the High Chief.
Sky high. Oh. An overhand chop.
Maivia overwhelming his opponent here.
And you can see Steele is struggling to weather the storm of the High Chief.
Oh, no. Oh, okay.
Well-delivered suplex.
The High Chief just refusing to be intimidated.
The animal has no idea what to make of Maivia. Big back body drop. What elevation. Oh my gosh.
Gentlemen, we've touched on the differences between Maivia and Steele as competitors. One man based on order, the other on chaos, but it's reflected in their looks, too.
Indeed, Michael. Just look at the sculpted physique of the High Chief. And the tribal tattoos on his body are extremely intricate and definitely eye-catching. And Steele is, well, he's an ugly creature. Enough hair on his upper torso to classify as fur. Folds in his bald head. He's like a modern-day Neanderthal.
Two very opposing styles in every sense of the word, Corey. High Chief Maivia is a much more physically gifted and talented athlete in the ring than Steele. What's it going to take for the animal to get the upper hand here?
Well, he's got to be even more chaotic than ever inside this cage. Nothing about Steele makes sense to someone as traditional as Maivia. There's never any telling what the animal's going to do in a match, and he needs to keep it that way.
Peter Maivia, very tough, but he also has movie star good looks. Quite the combo.
And it's served him well, Michael. In fact, the High Chief has major acting and stunt work credits to his name. And who knows? Maybe we'll see the Maivia name on Hollywood billboards again sometime. Well, before any of that happens, the High Chief needs to survive this war against the animal. Big impact.
Peter Maivia now with the upper hand.
Yeah, Maivia has really figured the animal out here. Big back body drop. Escape that in a hurry.
Some folks call Peter Maivia the Flying Hawaiian. And the reasons are obvious for that moniker. But guys, how has he earned the other nickname of the High Chief?
Well, Cole, Peter Maivia is very close to the Anawatu family. In fact, Peter's considered a blood brother to the patriarch of that clan. When you add on the fact that Maivia was born and raised in Samoa, you can see the great pride he has for that land and its people, the tribal ink that covers his body.
Oh, an eye rake. That's not right, but effective.
Ooh-wee. This is shot.
Oh, my goodness. What a double-handed shot. Pulled back into the hip toss. The High Chief Peter Maivia really making a name for himself in WWE, but he's had plenty of experience.
Wait a minute, setting in. Devastating submission coming. A stump puller. Trying to fight it. Anything to not give up.
It's a battle of wills now. Who will break first? That's it. The submission was just too much to handle.
Yes, sir. That wasn't that bad. I tried to get the objectives, bro, but it's kind of hard to do them.
Anytime these two have faced off, it's been eye for an eye. But the steel cage
These graphics are crazy in this game, bro.
Victory for the High Chief.
Alright, yo, this is a good stopping point for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed this. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Peace.